Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Temu promo code not working. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, just simply tap on you at the middle over here, and from here, guys, just simply tap on coupons and offers. So I'm going to discuss four possible ways why your promo code is not working. So for the first one is make sure you input the right code, because you might inputting some typos or extra spaces for your code. So now guys, for the second one is verify if your code is not yet expired. And for the third one, some coupon codes have a minimum order requirements. So just make sure you have the right order requirement in order for you to use the code. And another possible reason why your promo code is not working, guys, is don't try to use multiple promo code all at once. So guys, just try to use a promo code one at a time. And now, if you want to see more information about promo code, just simply tap on the question mark icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, guys, you will learn more about coupon code and offers. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.